recipes on Earth are guarded like nuclear launch codes. The formula for Coca-Cola sits inside a sealed vault in Atlanta, locked there on December 8, 2011. A jar of KFC's Spice Blend waits in a concrete safe in Kentucky. And a French liqueur is known in full to only 2 living monks. Same story every time. If the secret leaks, the fortune leaks with it. So these companies protect flavor like military intelligence. Here are 3 foods locked away like state secrets. Atlanta pharmacist John Pemberton mixed the first batch of Coca-Cola in 1886. The written formula, the piece they call Merchandise 7X, was moved into a downtown Atlanta bank vault in 1925, where it stayed for the next 86 years. Then on December 8, 2011, the company relocated it into a steel vault built inside the World of Coca-Cola Museum. There is a keypad, a hand scanner, and a heavy door most employees will never see open. Coca-Cola says only a small handful of people alive know the complete recipe, and it loves the old tale that 2 of them are never allowed to fly on the same plane. Whether that part is true or not, the vault itself is real, and today, tourists walk right up to it. Colonel Harlan Sanders locked in his 11 herbs and spices back in 1940 at his roadside cafe in Corbin, Kentucky. He scrawled the recipe in pencil, and that single yellowed page still exists. It lives in a computerized safe at KFC headquarters in Louisville, wrapped in 2 feet of concrete and watched by motion detectors and cameras. In 2008, the company hauled it out under armed guard for its first security upgrade in decades. Here is the clever part. 2 separate spice companies each blend only a portion of the formula, and a machine combines the halves at the end. Neither company has ever held the full list. Break into one factory and you still walk away with half a secret. High in the French Alps, Carthusian monks have made a bright green liqueur called chartreuse since the 1700s. They built the recipe from a 1605 manuscript, and by 1737 they had it working. It calls for 130 different plants and herbs. To this day, only 2 monks know the entire formula, and they are the ones who weigh out the secret blend by hand. They do not hand the full list to anyone. That green color is no dye. It comes straight from the plants. The monks guarded this through being expelled from France in 1903, carrying the recipe out with them. And when they recently decided to cap how much they make, bottles sold out across the world almost overnight. 3 products, 3 vaults, 1 lesson. A flavor nobody else can copy is worth more than a patent, because a patent expires and a secret never has to. Coca-Cola, KFC, and a few quiet monks all figured that out. So the recipe goes in the safe, and it stays there. That is your food history for the week. Come back next week for more. And until then, stay hungry.